What up, my people? My beautiful people? We are the Fijnproevers. That's Dutch for Les Connoisseurs. We are here to inspire you to taste the finer things in life. Our drugs is our music and party is our method. By celebrating life, we hope to inspire people to stretch their wings. Life isn't mediocre, so when we party, let it be intense. With all our creativity, we would like to create some awesome quality events which will excite your senses. Our goal is to bring people together and have memorable moments, fuel to carry on in their day-to-day hustle, their challenges and their dreams. Our biggest challenge is not following the trend. That's hard because doing so, you will be placed apart and that will make you vulnerable. You'll need to push yourself to be innovative and original and find ways to bring out the best in you. Our advice? Listen to your heart. Use your talent. Believe in yourself. Only you can make a difference. So make it fucking count. We're the ambassadors of our dreams. So kiss our wings. Fijnproevers.